Do you want to give your videos a clean and cinematic entrance with a double open animation in CapCut Mobile? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a double open reveal animation step by step. Let's get started! First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video or photo you want to edit, then tap Add to import it. Now, tap on your video clip. And next, tap the animation button below. You'll see here 3 categories: In, Out, and Combo. For this effect, go to the In section. Use the search bar to search for double open. Tap it to apply the animation. CapCut will instantly preview your clip, opening from center towards both sides. Also, you can use duration slider to control the speed of the animation. Once you're done, click on the check button. And it's now time to preview and fine-tune your video. Tap the play button to preview the animation. Make some final adjustments if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the final result, click on the export button in the top right corner of your screen. And that's it! That's how you create double open reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!